The Pixel 8 Pro and the Pixel Watch 2 are available now, and I want to do a quick unboxing of both of them for you. Now, a big thank you to Google for sending these out. And stay tuned to the channel because I'll be doing more Pixel coverage very soon, from accessories to just overall feature videos. So hit that subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell notification to be notified when content goes live. Now, we're going to push the watch aside just for a moment because we are going to start with the Pixel 8 Pro unboxing. Now, this comes in a few different colors. I've got it in what is called Porcelain. I'll show it to you up close in just a moment. We'll talk about that as well. But first off, inside of the box, you are going to get some regulatory information as well as a SIM card removal tool. From a cable perspective, we get a USB-C to USB-C cable. You will need to supply your own power brick. And then if you need an adapter, we've got a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Here is the phone in that porcelain color, and there is the camera array with your 50 megapixel wide, your 48 megapixel ultra wide, and your 48 megapixel telephoto. Really like the color choice here. The blend of that kind of off-white cream color with the stainless steel makes it look really nice. And yeah, stainless steel is going to show some fingerprints, so if you don't like that, maybe slap a case on it. And you'll be good to go. Now, let's go ahead and peel off that kind of protector on the front screen. Always so satisfying for the first time. And I'm going to power it up, but I'm not going to walk you through the install process here. I'm sure you've read about this and heard about it in other videos. I cannot state it enough. This screen is incredible. I mean, it's really, really bright and it looks fantastic. It's more of that flat design screen, so it doesn't have that waterfall fall-off effect. And again, when you mix it in with this particular color, the stainless steel and that porcelain, it just looks really timeless and classy. So very well done, Google. Very well done. Now we're going to talk about the Pixel Watch 2, and we'll do an unboxing of this because on the surface, it looks very similar to what we had with the original Pixel Watch. It's an interesting design choice in the unboxing. I haven't experienced that kind of book-style unboxing in quite some time. It's kind of cool. What you're going to find here is a charger, USB-C on one end to that kind of magnetic puck on the other end that attaches to that watch to charge it up. And then we get some regulatory information as well as a very brief quick start guide that you can see right there. On the other side, we get a different size band. So if the pre-installed band is not to the right fit for your wrist, you can swap it out with this one to ensure you get the right size. And here is the watch. This is also going to come in a few different colors. I've got it in the matching porcelain with that stainless steel color. Again, looks very classy, really traditional, kind of more of that watch look. And we've got some branding on the underside with IP68, your sleep tracking, the heart rate sensor kind of tells you all of the feature sets. So there you have it. That is your quick unboxing of both the Pixel 8 Pro and the Pixel Watch 2. Stay tuned for even more content coming real soon. Let me know if you're going to be picking either of these up, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.